What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's Dev Oski here, and I wanted to show you today an NFT platform that I've been working on with a few really great people over the past sort of 2 weeks or so, and it's been getting a lot of interest from the community. So I thought I would officially kind of announce it here on my channel, on my cryptocurrency development channel. So here it goes. This is our new project. It's called Crypto Waifus, and it's an NFT platform based on the Binance Smart Chain. So unlike NFTs based on the Ethereum blockchain, Crypto Waifus on the Binance Smart Chain is a lot cheaper to mint, and it's a lot cheaper to do transactions compared to Ethereum. So that's why we chose the Binance Smart Chain. So what Crypto Waifus is it's as well as being a NFT platform, it's also a set of collectible anime waifu characters that are represented by NFTs. So as you can see, there's one here on the front page, and that is a very special NFT that we're going to be giving away, and I'll explain more about that in a second. But here's our website, the Crypto Waifus website, and you can visit it and have a look at it at waifu.technology. That's how you find this website. So let me explain to you a little bit more about this project. So what we have here from a technological standpoint is a platform where you can mint these waifu characters, these NFT characters, and you get, when you mint one of these characters, you get a randomly generated character with a set of attributes of varying rarity. So I'll show you all the different rarities first, so you can get an understanding of what kind of character you might get if you mint one of these NFT waifu characters. So it costs 1 UWU token to mint one of these waifus. And when you mint one, it can have any one of these sets of attributes. So for example, it has a skin color. All of these are the different skin colors here, and you can see that they vary in their rarity from 0.01%, which is 1 in 10,000, all the way to 1 in 5. And the character that you mint will have an attribute from each one of these lists here on the rarity section of the website. So you might get, this background or this background, and you might get this skin color, for example, and it's randomly generated. So you might get one that's pretty common, or you might get one that's super rare. And that's kind of an interesting prospect when minting these waifus, because if you get a rare one, then that might be worth, quite a lot of money right now or in the future. So it's a little bit like a randomly generated chance thing to mint one of these NFTs. But we have a pool on pancakeswap, and I'll explain to you what that means. When you launch a cryptocurrency, you have to put it on an exchange so that people can trade it. So we've decided to put it on pancakeswap, which is very similar to Uniswap, but it's on the Binance Smart Chain. And when you launch on pancakeswap, you're basically creating something called a liquidity pool, and people can add liquidity to that pool, that liquidity can be used to trade between Binance coin BNB and our coin UWU. And the more liquidity that is in that pool means the less slippage price impact there is when you trade. So for liquidity providers coming in and providing liquidity to our pair on pancakeswap, our BNB UWU pair, we're rewarding those liquidity providers by giving them a very special set of never to be minted again waifus. There's 10 in total, and the number one liquidity provider, the person who provides the most liquidity, will get this very special waifu here. It's called the Genesis Waifu Double Rainbow Shiny number 1. And this is the first waifu NFT ever minted. That's going to go to the person who provides the most liquidity. We're going to be giving 9 waifus away to random liquidity providers as well, so that everyone can have a chance to get a special waifu. So I'll show you right now exactly what the other one looks like on Bitcoin Talk. We have a picture of it on Bitcoin Talk. And then if you want to provide liquidity, then you'll be in the running to get this one of 10 very special waifu NFTs. So once these waifu NFTs have been minted, that's it. They're never going to be available again. So you could be the owner of one of 10 very special, very rare NFTs. So if you want to provide liquidity, I'll show you exactly how to do that now. On the website, there's a link here at the top that takes you directly to our pool on pancakeswap. So once you're here, you can put in your BNB tokens, and then you can get UWU tokens. And once you've done that, so let's say you want to put in 1 BNB token, and you would get 14.3 UWU tokens for that. You'd have to unlock your wallet first. So I don't have enough BNB to do that right now, but if I did, it would say, do you want to accept the trade? You click that, and then confirm it on MetaMask, and then you would have the UWU tokens. And once you've got those tokens, you can go to the liquidity section, and then you can add the liquidity into the pool, and you'll get a special LP token. That's a liquidity pair token, and holding that will put you into the running for getting this waifu. And if you are the biggest liquidity provider, you'll be getting this one-of-a-kind, very special waifu. So the minting begins, just go quickly back to the website. The minting begins on the 11th of May, and one UWU token will equal one waifu NFT. They'll have a set of attributes based on these attributes here, and you'll get some common ones, you might get some rare ones, depending on how lucky you are and how many attempts you have. So that is the Crypto Waifus platform. We're going to be doing 255 different generations of waifus. So the waifus that you see on the front page and on the Bitcoin Talk, this one here, and the plain ones as well, that's generation 0, and we're going all the way up to generation 255 over the next like 5 or 10 years or so. And so you can imagine that the earlier generations might be worth more money. They're going to be definitely rarer as the community grows, and we're already getting quite a lot of community adoption. There's about 150 people on our Discord right now who are interested in the project, so there's definitely a lot of interest in the project, so that's really exciting for us as well. So something from a technological standpoint, if you're interested in that kind of thing, is that we're employing a special kind of minting method called soft minting. And that is forking the technology of the Polkamon project, which basically means that instead of paying a crazy amount of fees like you would on the Ethereum chain for minting an NFT, you can decide to generate the waifu that you can spend your UWU tokens to generate waifus, but you don't necessarily have to pay for the minting fee, the NFT minting fee, until you're definitely sure that you want to mint the actual NFT. So you spend the UWU tokens, you get an image of what your NFT would look like, and if you don't think it's rare enough or you don't want to mint it, you don't have to, and the cost is very low. But afterwards, you can then commit to minting the NFT. Then you get the actual NFT printed onto the blockchain. It's there forever on the blockchain, and the NFT is a real fully fledged NFT. So when you put it into the 2 steps of soft minting and then finishing off the minting, you get that option to choose whether you actually want to mint the NFT. But since this is on the Binance Smart Chain rather than the Ethereum chain, the costs for minting are, instead of being like $100, they're going to be like $1 on-chain fee. So it's a lot cheaper than any of the NFT platforms on Ethereum right now. So it's really exciting to be using the Binance Smart Chain because it's really reducing the cost, and also the Binance Smart Chain is a lot faster than the Ethereum chain, so you won't have to wait that long for your NFT to be minted. So right now we have 200,000 tokens in circulation, and you can get those on PancakeSwap, and you can join the Discord and speak to us in the community, and we really look forward to seeing you there. So if you come to the Discord, make sure you say hello, and make sure you tell us that you saw this video and that's where you came from. And thank you for listening to me speak about the Crypto Waifus project. Look forward to May 11, where minting begins, and I hope I see you in the Discord.